Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for allowing me to do this presentation. As many of you probably know, in November 2007, we started the secondary school Bible quiz. And I must say that over the 10 years, about 39 students from the St. Martin Secondary School have participated. That's very low when you consider one school has already had over 300 participants, and there are 6 schools that have over 100. However, Javon is going to be the 4th student from your school to win the quiz. He won, as you understand, the December quiz, and his prize consists of a lovely Bible. Let him show it to you. He gets $250. He gets a gift voucher from Acute Cosmetics valued at $200, a gift voucher from Jujubee valued at $100, and there's a gift for his parent. And so this morning, I'm really, really pleased to present this prize and to encourage you, and by extension, all secondary school students in the country, to read the Bible, which is the book of life and the only book that will guide us to spend eternity with God in heaven. Thank you very much. God bless you.